See, we are here live in Vivyan hair design. I have here with me our lovely, nice model, Iswa from Iceland. Yes. So she have a really long hair. As you see, very long hair. And as you see, she has so much long roots, and she don't like it, and she wanna have a new look. I wish you can see it, guys. So we will show you later what we're gonna do with her hair. We're gonna change her totally. So we will say to Aisha, how do you feel?
Good.
Yeah, happy to be here?
Yes.
Yes, so
Very much.
thank you very much. So we're gonna show everybody what we're gonna do with your hair. Actually, let me just be very near the camera. So you see, it's very, she have so much roots and she don't like it. Yeah, I wish you can see it, guys. I'll show you later what we're gonna do. We will show you the results, so stay with us. We will say to everybody bye now. Bye. Bye. So guys, see the videos. It's a beautiful, nice, lovely girl. We did for her beautiful, nice, white blonde hair color. Look at her hair. So long. Yee. Guys, also with me, I just did for a beautiful, nice, white blonde hair color. Lovely. She's from Iceland. I really love it. Look at the color. So, Elsa, do you like your hair?
Yes, I love my hair.